Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. Do you struggle to find a research gap? You read paper after paper, highlight dozens of paragraphs, and still don't know what's missing? What if AI could help you identify potential research gaps in just 10 minutes? In this video, I'll show you a practical step-by-step method using Google Scholar, NotebookLM, and ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know how to move from a broad research topic to a verified and researchable gap. Let's begin. Before using AI, let's understand what a research gap actually means. A research gap is an area where existing research is limited, incomplete, inconsistent, or where an important question still needs further investigation. It doesn't simply mean finding a topic that nobody has ever studied. Your goal is to identify something meaningful that existing literature has not adequately explained. Step 1 is choosing a broad area of interest. Let's use an example: AI-powered recruitment systems. At this stage, don't make your topic too narrow. We first need to understand what researchers have already studied. Now let's search Google Scholar for recent research. Start with your main keywords and then experiment with synonyms and combinations. For example, AI-powered recruitment. Then, AI recruitment and employee trust. And artificial intelligence and recruitment effectiveness. Focus particularly on recent studies and highly relevant papers. Don't collect hundreds of papers. Start with a manageable set of highly relevant and recent studies. For example, select around 10 to 20 strong papers that directly relate to your research question. Pay special attention to the limitations and future research sections. Now let's bring these papers into NotebookLM. Upload your selected research papers and create a notebook specifically for your topic. This gives you a focused environment where you can ask questions about the sources you've collected. Now we start looking for patterns. Ask NotebookLM, what are the major themes across these studies? Then ask, which variables are studied most frequently? And which variables or relationships appear to be less explored? Another important step is comparing methodologies. Ask, what research methods were used in these studies? Then, which populations, industries, or geographical contexts have been studied? You may discover that most studies use similar methods or focus on the same population. Here's one of the most valuable places to look for a gap: limitations. Ask AI, what limitations are repeatedly mentioned across these studies? And what future research directions do the authors recommend? If the same limitation appears across multiple papers, that's a signal worth investigating. Now let's use ChatGPT to help synthesize what we've discovered. Give it your verified notes and ask it to organize the evidence. Here's the prompt. Act as an experienced research supervisor. Based only on the evidence and notes I provide, identify potential theoretical, methodological, contextual, population, geographical, and variable gaps. For each potential gap, explain which studies support it and what further investigation may be needed. Do not invent citations or claim that a gap is established without sufficient evidence. And this is the step many students skip. Never accept an AI-generated research gap blindly. Go back to the original papers. Check whether the authors actually reported the limitation or future research direction. Look at recent publications too. A gap that existed 3 years ago may already have been addressed by newer research. Once you've verified the gap, turn it into a clear research problem. For example, suppose our literature shows that AI-powered recruitment has been widely studied, but the role of employee trust in explaining recruitment effectiveness remains insufficiently examined in a particular context. Now we have something much more specific to investigate. Your research gap should naturally lead to your research questions. For example, does AI-powered recruitment influence recruitment effectiveness? Does employee trust play a mediating role? And does organizational culture influence these relationships? Now your gap is beginning to become a complete research model. So here's the complete 10-minute workflow. Choose your topic, search recent literature, select relevant papers, analyze them with NotebookLM, identify themes, compare methodologies, study limitations, use ChatGPT to organize potential gaps, and finally, verify the gap using the original literature. If you found this method useful, save this video and try it with your own research topic. And if you want more practical AI research tutorials, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'll show you how to turn a research gap into a complete research proposal using AI. Thanks for watching.